Hey there! Ever found yourself up late, endlessly scrolling through social media? Meet Emma. She knew this habit was hurting her. Yet every night, the cycle repeated. She'd tell herself. Every morning, Emma woke up groggy, unable to focus and frustrated. One day, after missing yet another morning workout and zoning out during a meeting, Emma decided enough was enough. She sat down with a notebook and wrote. She listed 1, to feel rested and energetic. 1, to improve my focus at work. 1, to make time for morning self-care. With her motivation clear, Emma took a deep breath and dove into action. She realized her habit wasn't just about social media, it was her way of unwinding after stressful days. Her phone became an escape when she felt overwhelmed. So she promised herself she'd put her phone away an hour before bedtime and instead try a different way to relax. Emma bought a journal and a stack of novels. Each evening, instead of diving into Instagram, she would write about her day or lose herself in a good book. At first it felt odd. Her hand would itch to grab her phone, but she reminded herself the first week wasn't perfect. One night Emma gave in and spent an hour watching funny videos. But instead of spiraling into guilt, she paused. She noted what triggered the slip. She'd skipped dinner, felt anxious about work and sought comfort. The next day, Emma prepared her meals in advance and made a to-do list for work to reduce her anxiety, she told herself. After 2 weeks of sticking to her new routine, Emma noticed something amazing. She felt more awake in the mornings and even started exercising before work. She rewarded herself with a spa day, reinforcing how great it felt to prioritize her well-being. Emma shared her journey with her best friend, Lily, who became her accountability partner. They checked in on each other's goals every week, celebrating wins and encouraging each other through setbacks. Months later, Emma barely thought about her late-night scrolling habit. What began as a struggle became second nature, proving to her that change was possible when she approached it with intention, patience, and self-compassion. Now, as she drifted off to sleep with a journal on her nightstand and her phone tucked away, she smiled, knowing she had taken control, not just of her habit, but of her life. So if you're struggling with a habit, remember Emma's journey. You've got this.